The crossover we're making now is actually for a ZX4R.
Really?
Yeah, so this is for a ZX4R, and you'll feel like, they start off as these big bulky pieces of aluminum, right? So like feel this, heavy.
Oh yeah.
And then this is gonna be the step plate, so that's gonna be the plate where you actually step on. And look at how much material gets wasted, right? Like, you need this much material to make this piece, because it's all one piece. Their stuff will literally snap in half, and you don't want that. That's on a great day for ZX4 stuff.
I feel like that. Wow.
Yeah.
It's ZX4 day. Nice. Look at this thing.
We'll literally feed this cable apart, so we cut them down to size, right? And then the machine will pick it up, it'll open the door, it'll feed it, it'll take off the new part, and then it'll put the old part in, and it'll run automatic for 12 hours without a human operator. Secondary operation for arms. So this is all stuff that's already been sold. We're gonna get it prepped, take it to powder coating, but you have every cage that you can think of. In here, there's maybe like 500,000 just in like cage inventory. Z650, R3, ZX4R, ZX6R, MCL7, R7. This is basically like a Lego. Our welder can come in here, open up a book, and then they want to build a cage or whatever, they can literally come in here, grab pieces everywhere, and then just set it on the jig and weld it.
Wow.
So all those parts that we saw over there before, you know, like the solid motor mount, over here. These are all the braces for like the steel sub cages. These are already cut, ready to go. So the welder can come in here at any time if like a sponsored rider or somebody on our team